Hi, in this video you will discover that really it's easy to meditate, but if you do it in the right way. Hi, my name is Hector Marisca, author of the book Mindfulness and Meditation, Your Key to Happiness. In this video I'll give you some key recommendations for your meditation, and also we'll do a guided meditation at the end. So keep on looking at the video. I have been meditating for 15 years and I talk to a lot of people, and I noticed that the main issue that prevents people to continue meditating is that people think that they are doing it wrong, They say, I am bad on meditating, I am not good for this, and it's mainly because they try to resist their thoughts. They think that meditation is about resisting the thoughts, rejecting the thoughts, trying to voluntarily put the mind blank, and really that is not the objective of the meditation. The mind is designed to think. That is what the mind does, so it naturally generates thoughts. So it's very, very difficult to prevent the thoughts from coming. So that is the thing. When people are not able to do it, they think they are not good in meditation. So that is why they quit, But it's just that they are doing it wrong. The correct way to do it is just to observe the thoughts. In meditation, a lot of thoughts can come. 10 thoughts, 100 thoughts, 500 thoughts, But you just have to observe them. You just have to observe them and then return to the focal point or the anchor of the meditation. So it is very important to have an anchor, to have a focal point of the meditation. What you do when a thought comes is just observe the thought. Don't resist the thought. Don't reject the thought, but don't follow it either. You don't have to follow it. And just return to the focal point of the meditation. That is the practice. And if you do that, I promise that you will find meditation is very, 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 very easy. Now we're going to do a short meditation. Please don't do this meditation if you're driving a vehicle or operating a machinery. You have to be in a safe place and with your mind focused on the meditation. And I'm sure you will find it very easy. Not as people think that it's difficult to meditate. No, if you do it the right way, as I will show you right now. So right now, you can do it eyes open or eyes closed as you wish. Just take one deep breath. Exhale slowly. And you will take all your attention to the breath. Remain very, very still. Don't move any muscle of the body. And just don't do any effort to inhale or to exhale. Just observe the breathing. If a thought comes, just observe it. Do not resist it. do not follow it either, and just go back to the breath. If an emotion comes, just feel it. Let it move through your body and return to the breath. The only thing that exists in the whole universe is the breath. Just observe it. And now, if you were with your eyes closed, just slowly start opening your eyes. Start moving slowly, gently. And that's it. That's it, a short meditation. It's not really difficult. Just observing the thoughts when they appear and returning to the focal point, the anchor of the meditation. You will probably feel very, very relaxed during the meditation and after the meditation. I am relaxed right now. And what we have done in these minutes of meditation is that we went beyond our personalities, In the moments we were in the breath, with the attention in the breath, there were no Hector, no Mary, no Peter, or whatever is your name. In those moments there are no personality. It's just present moment, I take the opportunity to invite you to my online community. It's a Skool Community and it's completely free. And I invite you to join. In there you will find a free meditation course, also 2 meditations to practice. The course is very complete, and you will find people as you interested in meditation, so you can comment with them and share your experiences in meditation. So I really invite you to join the group. You will find the link to the group in the description of this video. I hope you are very good, and see you inside the community. A big hug.